Students, in previous class you learnt lesson I want, isn't it? Related class notes. Today we'll see there for page number 32. Reading is fun. Put a right or a wrong against the following sentence. One has been done for you. They did one. The little monkey wants to be big and strong. Is it right? No, just that's why they put right mark in the box. There, second one, a wise woman does not hear him. See there, she hear, no, that's why you put there wrong. She gives him a wand. Yes, she gave, no, put right mark. The giraffe stretches his long neck. Right. The elephant has no trunk, but the elephant has a trunk, no, so you have to put there wrong. They given no, that's why you put wrong. Next, the zebra has strips. Yes, zebra has strips on their body, no. The little monkey sees a monster in the river. Yes, this is right. Put right mark, okay, in the box. Can you go next? Let's talk. See there, is there anyone in your class whom you like? If you like, say yes. Do you want to be like her or him, and why? Just you discuss with your friends, okay? Do you know about the food and that each animal eats? Just you discuss these question answers, okay? Next, see there, let's listen. What does the little monkey want to do? Want to be? The little monkey wants to be big and strong, okay? Isn't it? Yes. Who hears him? A word, an old woman hears him, no? How does an elephant have a bath? And next question, see there. Does the zebra have spots or strips? Zebra has strips, no? Next, why does little monkey want to be himself again? Just related class answer, classwork I will send in your WhatsApp group, question answers, okay? After that, you have to write in your class notes. Next, see there. Let's share. See here, there are many kinds of people. They all look different. One face has been drawn for you. Complete the rest of the faces. You have to complete the rest of the faces. Here given faces, you have to draw the eyes and nose and mouth, and just when we see the picture, that will say something like sad, happy, isn't it? Angry faces you have to draw here, okay? Do yourself. Next, see there, let's act out the story. Play the parts of the monkey, the wise woman, and the mother in turns in the classroom, but now this is not possible, isn't it? Okay, leave it. Can we go next? What would you do if you had a magic wand? If you have had a magic wand, what you have to do? See there, I would turn it round and round and turn a book into a pizza. Next one, I would turn a dog into a puppy. Like that you have to write here. Do complete, okay? Do yourself. Can we go next page? Yes. See there in the next page, say aloud. Here they are given some words. Just you read. Strong, stretch, string, strips, school, skin, scold, scruffy, spot, spit, spin, spell, zebra, zoom, zip, zoo, giraffe, jump, joy, jelly, gum, girl, grow, give. Just you read the words and do practice, okay? See there. Next, let's find. Monkeys are fun to watch. Can you find the word monkey 5 times in the box? Here in the box there given spellings. In that you have to search the monkey, the word monkey, and put circle, okay? One I have done one. See here, monkey, monkey. Just you put circle like this. 5 words you have to find out and put circle, okay? Next, see there. Now write about your favorite animal or a bird. by completing this sentence. You have to write yourself. My favorite animal or bird. You have to write your favorite bird name or animal name, and I like it because why you like, just you write here. Okay, do complete this. This is do yourself. Okay, can we go next page? Yes. Here in the next page, word building is there. Match the animals to its group. Here one side they given animals and here their groups they given. You have to match this. First one, a bee. Here bees are there, so we call that swarm of bees. A swarm of bees. Just you draw the line. Then a cow, a herd of cows. Next one, a lion, a pride of lions. A bird, a flock of birds. You have to draw the line and match. Okay. Next, see, the monkey wrote his mother, I look awful. He made 2 mistakes here. What are they? Can you find out, children? Yes, in grammar class you learned, no? And we start the sentence. First letter must be a capital. Have you remember? And at the end of the sentence we have to put the one full stop, isn't it? Have you remember? Okay, see, he wrote here I small and here they not given full stop. So we have to write here I capital and put full stop. End of the sentence. Okay, write the sentence correctly. We have to write here correct sentence. I look awful. Okay, after the end of the sentence we have to put here full stop. Then after that sentence become a good. Okay, can we go next page? Yes. See here in the next page, put the letters in order to make a word. Here they given word letters and we have to put in right order. If we put in right order, then after that word has meaning. So we have to write. See there two have been done for you. See there OT here you are given no letters. You have to write TO means after that word become a 2. Yes, I yes is EH HE he GIB. Here you write BIG. After that the word become big, isn't it? MIH we write here HIM him. SIH if you write here HIS his. REH they given. Here we write HER her. NAC you write here in order CAN. After that word become can, isn't it? Okay, can you writing? Okay, if you in the space you have to write here. Okay, like this. Next, see there, look at the pictures, count and write. Children, have you remember singular and plural? Singular means one, plural means more than one is called plural, isn't it? Have you remember it? You learnt in a grammar class, isn't it? Okay, see here, count and write. 1 giraffe, 1 elephant. You have to write here 1 elephant, 1 zebra, then 1 frog. You have to write here. Next, see there. Here add S to the names of the animals. If we add S means then word become a plural in some words. In some words we add ES. Have you remember? Then VES. Have you remember? Add VES. Okay. After that word become a knife, knives, isn't it? Have you remember? Okay. See here. First one, giraffe. More than one means plural word. So you have to write here giraffes. Right? Yes. Okay. Next one, elephant. Elephant plural word. Elephants. You have to write yes. Zebra, zebras. Frog, frogs. Okay. See there. How many giraffes are there? 2 giraffe. Elephant. How many elephants are there? Right. Count and write here. Then how many zebras are there? Right here. Count and write. 4 zebras we can see in the picture. Next one, frog. See there how many frogs are there? Just you count. There are 6 frogs, no? S. Okay, you have to write here 6 dogs. Can you understand this lesson, children? Okay. Okay, children, related class notes I will send in your WhatsApp group. After that you copy it. Okay, thank you. Bye.